Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will be doing an unboxing and a quick overview of Skyvik Cygni Pocket DSLR Kit, also known as 2-in-1 Clip-on Lens Kit. Now let us see the information provided on the box. On the box you will find the key features, what's inside the box and the address of Skyvik Technologies. Now let us see what's inside the box. The first thing you will notice will be some messages card, manual, thank you card and Skyvik product brochures. Keeping that aside, now let us move further. This is the outer case of the lens, which is a hard case. Now let us open the hard case and see what's inside. Opening the hard case, you will find the lens and a universal clip. You will get a metal hook for carrying the hard case. A microfiber cloth to clean your lens. Pouch to carry your lens. The 2-in-1 lens. You get caps both the sides and both are made up of plastic. The build structure of the lens is aluminium alloy. Opening the cap, you will find 0.45 wide angle lens with some Skyvik branding. The glass is a coated glass to reduce reflection and light flare. If you want to use your 15x micro lens, you will first need to rotate anti-clockwise and detach the wide angle lens from the main lens. If you want to use the wide angle lens, you will have to use both the lenses together. Now let us check the 0.45 wide angle lens. A universal clip is provided with the lens. Using the lens is very much easy. You just need to screw clockwise and your lens will be ready to shoot. Talking about the clip finishing is really good. I must say that they have given a good rubber pads which will protect your mobile from getting any scratches. Now let us attach the lens and see how it looks. So now you are able to spot my tripod from the same position. Let me show you some samples with the lens and without the lens. This is with the lens now. You will observe some distortion on both the edges. Now let me remove the lens and show you the difference. So this is without the lens. Now this is with the lens and you can see the difference in area covered by this lens. I found some distortion but didn't find any chromatic aberration. Now let us use the 15x micro lens. To use this lens, you will need to remove the upper lens first. Removing the wide angle lens, the weight has decreased almost by 70%. Now let us attach the lens. Let us take the piece of cleaning cloth near to the lens. I am capturing this at a distance of 3 cm approximately. The 15x micro lens is doing its job in a great manner. I did not find any distortion on the edges. The output is really sharp and clean. It also produces a good blurry background. I bought this lens from Amazon at 2299 Indian rupees. It's a great deal as you're getting a full kit lens. I hope you must have liked both the lenses. If you have liked my video, kindly do subscribe my channel and also share with your friends. Thank you.